Aaron Richards' ATN review. This is all about Aaron's automated trading network, and people might be seeking financial freedom or maybe some extra cash in their pockets in their bank account, because what Aaron is providing here, his big claim is that ATN will show you how to make 5 to 10% a month on your money in the next 30 days without doing any work using private trading networks. You might have learned all about this on his site, his little interview here, and some of his testimonials. Think about this: 52K in 90 days, 45K plus in 90 days, over 100K in this person's account. So there's this whole dream picture, and that money, it seems to be something that can help people change their lives. And so this approach of his builds up this big idea that people can earn passive income, make this huge transformation in their life. So that's what I'll be going over in this video. And if you stick around till the end, I also have a free gift for you. If you're into passive income, I do have something that will help you build a business and do it using automated technology. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for over a decade now. I started my journey because I was running a financial consulting business, and I had a very hard time, especially having a kid. And I realized I just couldn't do the things that I used to be able to do, especially when I was single, especially when it comes to business, like running a business, going to appointments, whether it was my clients' homes, offices, and calling on the phone with a baby crying in the background is very tough at that time. So I started exploring different business models, and I discovered strategies, simple strategies that could lead to significant income. And so that's how InfoSpike TV was born. I'm here to help ordinary people make money online using straightforward business models. And so my disclaimer here is that I'm not an affiliate of ATN. I don't make money directly from them. So let's go ahead and get started. Talk about what ATN is. Automated Trading Network, founded by Aaron Richards, offers a unique system designed to help individuals generate passive income through smart investments. The program focuses on creating a community where members can access lucrative opportunities that were once reserved for the ultra-wealthy. What is the unique selling proposition here? It's that big promise of 100% passive income through their monthly returns of 5 to 10%. And this is something especially for people that are looking to escape the traditional work model or just make bank. So who is the founder here? Talked about Aaron Richards. More details about him is that he's a family man from Ohio who turned his financial struggles into a successful business model by helping others achieve their dreams financially. How do customers make money through this system? So ATN has its trading strategies. They invest in it where it is managed. Their investments are managed by elite traders. This allows them to earn passive income without needing extensive knowledge of trading. How much money does it cost? Well, the thing is that if you have ever invested in the market, you'll realize that your initial investment can vary. And when I look at all these claims here, those are big claims, but how much was invested and what was the percentage of growth? So talked about that 5 to 10%. So he suggests starting with a modest amount to test the waters, then gradually increasing as your confidence grows. Is it a scam? I don't think so. It's just a way to invest your money. So there are so many different types of people that can invest money for you, especially professional investment advisors. And the thing is that the risk is on you. That's just how the market works. But for those that are willing to invest, they can take part of this opportunity and also engage with the community. Here are the strengths. Passive income potential, reliable source of income without the need for constant involvement. So that's the hope here. The strength of this program, that's what it's focused on. And you have this community support. Members benefit from a network of like-minded individuals who share resources and strategies. You also have some expert management. You're not, hopefully not, dealing with a bunch of rookies that are investing your money. So the whole goal here is to have ATN do that for you, where they have their elite traders that, of course, when you are having experts trade for you, then that is a way to potentially reduce your risk. And then here are the weaknesses. Of course, there's an initial investment involved. It's not just in the system, but also the money that you have to put into investing into his traders. And that can be a huge barrier to entry. It's not for beginners. Even this whole idea promising wealth to people for passive income by putting in your investments into it, you still need to understand what is something that you want to put your money into. You need to build up your knowledge prior to investing your money. And there's always going to be risk in the market. The economy controls your income. And here are the opportunities. There's a growing community, and as more people seek financial freedom, ATN's membership base is likely to expand. Diverse income streams, members can explore various investment avenues through this automated trading network framework. And then there's the educational resources ATN provides, and that will help members improve their financial literacy. What are the threats? Market volatility, economic downturns can impact investment returns. That's very common, especially if you're looking for moderate to high return investments. Competition, the rise of similar programs may dilute ATN's market share. Regulatory changes in financial regulations could affect their operations. So what's my opinion about this? This automated trading network presents a compelling opportunity for those seeking financial independence. While ATN offers a unique blend of community support and expert management, I believe there's a better business model for individuals that want to create a profitable business online. I think the biggest thing here for me is that when you're investing in something like the market, the economy is going to change, your investment profits are going to change, but there's actually a way to build your own economy. And the recommended approach that I have that is something that just about anyone could get into, anyone, especially here in the United States, I should say, is using something called high ticket affiliate marketing. And the thing here is that it can lead to high earning potential where it can yield large commissions, and those sales through providing high ticket products can increase your income potential. There's a lot of flexibility. You could work from just about anywhere, allowing for a better work-life balance, and then scalability. You can easily scale your business as you grow your audience. Thing here is that with high earning potential, if you want to get an idea of how much this is, whether it's 3, 4, 5 figures, that is the earning potential. And you can do this with a moderately low investment compared to a traditional business, so low overhead costs. And then you have access to training. And I believe that the trainings and the systems that I promote, they offer a wide range of evergreen strategies that can help you for many years to come. And so if you want to learn more about these strategies, grab my free gift. Just go ahead and check out the pinned comment below. Also check out the description of this video. And this is the video for the Automated Trading Network. Thank you for checking out this review, and take care.